Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a controlled contact point. Position your tablet flat, prop a thin paper wedge under the outer edge of your palm, and hold the stylus normally. Once done, switch the app to accept finger input or disable any stylus-only toggles so both nib and touch register. You do this because lifting the palm reduces accidental touch while keeping the stylus angle natural. Make a few short strokes now to test pressure and angle, adjusting the wedge or grip until lines remain clean. Now focus on how you control the pen versus your palm. You should calibrate pressure to medium soft so light pen strokes register clearly while stray palm contacts remain faint. Then assign a reachable shortcut for quick undo or a palm toggle to reduce interruptions. Once done, practice diagonal strokes, light taps, and slow curves. This helps you learn the slight lift needed to avoid touch activation. Make subtle grip changes and retest until tap and stroke behavior match your intent. To finish, lock your device orientation and run a full sketch to confirm the setup holds under longer use. If ghost touches appear, add a thin foam pad or use a lightweight glove on the palm. These both increase separation without changing stroke feel. Make sure to tweak pressure and touch sensitivity in small increments rather than big jumps. If problems persist, restart the app and recheck input settings. Often a quick reset clears lingering touch conflicts and restores stable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.